The District Selection Committee, East Khasi Hills District, Shillong invites online applications from genuine citizens of India. Preference will be given to local candidates residing permanently in which the vacancies occur, who are desirous to apply as per the terms and conditions in the advertisement for filling up the vacancies. Candidates should read the instructions carefully before making any entry or selecting options. Candidates should furnish the correct details while filling up the application online form. Mandatory fields are mark with star. Interested candidates are requested to visit the website http://eastkhasihills.gov.in. Candidates can apply the vacant posts W.E.F. the 2nd of August 2024 to the 2nd of September 2024. Last date for payment will be
on the 5th of September 2024, after which the link will be disabled. NB. The category breakup has been prepared in details as per the reservation roster with OMNO. Per AR 25/2022.24 dated Shillong, the 23rd of July 2024. Name of the post. No of vacancies. Categories breakup of the vacant post. Pay level KJ G. Stenographer 3-1. Class 12 passed graduate 3 numbers. 2 numbers. 5, 4, 1. Pay level 8, as per revised pay structure. Educational qualifications. Class 12 passed, graduate with certificate in stenography and certificate computer application. No. Name of the post. No of vacancies. Categories breakup of the vacant post. KJ, G186. Pay level. Post, SC. Lower Division Assistant cum Typist. 2, 30, inclusive of 2 numbers of PWDs, 1 deaf, hard of hearing, 1 blindness, low vision. 4. Pay level 5, as per revised pay structure. Educational qualifications. Matriculation, SSLC passed with certificate in computer application, with a minimum speed of 30 W.P.M. to be ascertained in the technical speed test. Gram Sevak, both male and female. 396331 Gram Sevaka 6150. Pay level 5, as per revised pay structure. Only female. Educational qualifications. Matriculation, SSLC passed. Every person appointed to the post will undergo the training for Gram Sevaks, Gram Sevikas. 4. Stenographer 312. Pay level 4, as per revised pay tree. Educational qualifications. Class 12, HSSLC passed with certificate in shorthand and computer application. C. No. Name of the post. No of vacancies. Categories breakup of the vacant post. Pay level. KJ, G. Pay level 3, as per revised pay structure. 5. Driver. 60. 11. 49. Educational qualifications. Class 8 passed with valid professional driving license from the concerned district transport officer. Driving test along with medical eye checkup test will also be conducted before the selection of the successful candidates. Enumerator. 15. 2. 13. Pay level 2, as per revised pay structure. Educational qualifications. Matriculation, SSLC passed. 7. Forest Guard. 59. 8. 49. 2. Pay level 2, as per revised pay structure. Educational qualifications. SSLC passed and above or equivalent examination from recognized boards. Candidates must have possessed the minimum physical standard, fitness as prescribed. Below. Age limit. 18 to 30 years, as per government. OMNO per .38, 2021 91st dated Shillong the 1st of May 2024. Height. Male 163 CENTIMILLISECOND and female 150 CENTIMILLISECOND. Chest. Male 79 CENTIMILLISECOND, normal, and plus 05 cms on expanded. Female 74 CENTIMILLISECOND, normal, and plus 05 cms on expanded. IV. Minimum height for candidates belonging to SC, Saint male is 152 CENTIMILLISECOND and female 145 CENTIMILLISECOND. Candidates must have qualified for a physical test consisting of a walk of 25 kilomillisecond for male candidates and 16 kilomillisecond for female candidates to be completed within 4 hours. No of vacancies. 417. Categories breakup of pay. Pay level. Name of the post. Vacant post KJ, G. Post, SC. 876. Candidates are advised to keep the receipt of the payment MAD for future reference. For persons with benchmark disabilities, PWDs, applications fee is exempted. PWDs. Candidates are required to furnish their disability certificate, as and when required. Instruction to candidates for online applications. 1. Candidates are required to register themselves with District Selection Committee, DECL. 8. Grade 4. 333, inclusive of 2 numbers of PWDs, 1 deaf, hard of hearing, 1 locomotor, OV, all. Pay level 1, as per revised pay structure. Educational qualifications, for all grade 4 categories, class 6 passed. Age limit, 18 to 32 years as on the 1st of January 2024. Upper age limit is relaxable by 5 years over the upper age limit of 32 years in case of SC, ST candidates. Age limit for posts under excise registration, taxation and stamps, forests and environment, home, police, and civil defense and home guards will be as prescribed in the Office Memorandum No. per. 38, 2021 91st dated Shillong, the 1st of May 2024. PWD's candidates' upper age limit will be as per Office Memorandum No. per. AR 158 560 dated Shillong, the 18th of January 2023. The date of birth to be accepted is as entered in the matriculation, secondary school leaving certificate, or a certificate recognized by an Indian university as equivalent to matriculation, or an extract from the official registers duly certified by the proper authority of the Board of School Education. Proof other than these will not be accepted. No upper age limit for candidates who are already in regular government service provided they produce the No Objection Certificate, NOC, through proper channel from concerned authority, when called for personal interview. 3/5. Reservation of vacancies. The reservation of vacancies is as per the existing reservation vacancies in services, POAs under the state government of Meghalaya. The District Selection Committee is at liberty to increase or decrease the vacancies based on requirement. Payments. Applicant may pay the fee of 100 rupees, 50 rupees F.